Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. I am so excited for today's video because I have got another Cherryz haul and I just want to thank them for collaborating with me again. You guys really enjoyed it, the first one, so we got together again to do another one and I can't wait to share everything that I picked up. Obviously, I went ahead and got a lot of cleaning products and home decor bits, but I also went ahead and got some beauty bits, something for my husband, something for my dog, just to show you that they do such a wide variety. And Cherryz has also been kind enough to give you guys 20% off of your first purchase when you use the app. So I am going to go ahead and have everything linked down below in my description box, and I'll have it up on the screen here for you. But definitely check them out. They are just amazing. They are kind of like B&M and Poundland put together, but just even more convenient because it's online. So what's not to love? And I actually think that certain bits are... That's just my puppy. I actually think there are a lot of bits on the website that's actually cheaper than B&M, so definitely check them out if you are a B&M lover like I am. But without any further ado, let's just jump straight into today's video. Okay, so I just went ahead and sort of laid everything out on the table so I can see what I've got, and I do have majority cleaning and home stuff, so would it really be one of my videos if it wasn't mainly cleaning products? But I have got a few beauty products, home bits and pieces that I'm going to start off with, and then we can get to the bulk of the cleaning stuff towards the end of the video. So I'm going to start off with a couple of like beauty makeup bits that I picked up. Okay, so the first thing I picked up is this W7 Lengthening Mascara, and I think this was about £1, and I never spend loads of money on makeup. I never have, I never will. I'm not that type of person. So I always pick my makeup up, my mascara up from B&M for about £2 to £2.50, and this was like £1. So I really can't wait to try this out because, I mean, if this is good, £1, you don't get better than that. So this is the first thing that I picked up. Okay, the second thing I picked up was this lip twister like lip liner, and I actually use lip liner as matte lipstick. It works really well, and I just got this in the pink shade. I don't know if that's going to focus. But yeah, I really can't wait to try these bits out. Again, this was probably about £1. I don't think it was even £1. It was cheaper than that. So if you are looking for just a couple of the like basics, lip liner, eyeliner, mascara, that sort of thing, definitely check out the Cherryz website because they do have quite a few different options. They've also got lots of like foundation and bronzers and all that kind of stuff as well. So yeah, definitely check them out for your beauty supplies as well as cleaning products. When I was making my purchase, I had really sore lips, so I went and got the Moisturizing Lip Balm Pearl Shine. I just love this stuff. Again, I think this was about £1 and you really can't go wrong. Set of 2, so yeah, I grabbed these. But I also picked up some Vaseline lip therapy in the cocoa butter. Again, I think this was about 50p, so you really can't go wrong with these prices. So these are the bits that I picked up like for myself beauty wise, I guess, like makeup. But yeah, I can't wait to just get all of this open and give it a try, especially this lipstick. I can't wait. Okay, so the next thing I picked up were these Epsom salts, and I'm actually really excited to use them, or not even use them, but like style them, because I do have a bathroom makeover video coming soon and I'm going to be using these. So yeah, I'm really glad that they had these. Again, I think it was about £1, maybe £1.50, but you get all sorts of different like scents and stuff, and I just went with the eucalyptus, and yeah, I can't wait to show you that video. So do make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss all of my future content, but definitely check out the beauty section because they have so many good bits. So whilst I was browsing, I also wanted to pick something up for my husband. So if you're looking for something for your partner as well, I've gone for the Buy My beard oil because he's always looking for different beard oils to use, and I also got the beard styler, and this smells amazing. So we've not smells so good, to be honest. So it's not used it yet because I've been waiting to do this haul, but yeah, it smells absolutely incredible. Okay, so would I really be a dog mum if I didn't pick up the new pups and treats? So I picked up these Wag Trees, and Wag is a brand that we've gone for anyway. All of his treats are this brand, so I know that he likes them, but I did go for a completely different flavour. So this has got chicken and yogurt and meaty bites enriched with vitamins and minerals, and yeah, I just went with this one. I just got the one packet. I didn't want to go over the top because there's already got a few packets of this in the cupboard, but as we are training, this is for 8 weeks old plus, and he is 10 weeks old, so it's perfect for him. What are you doing? So yeah, I just wanted to see if he'd like the flavour. So I picked these ones up. Sit. Good boy. So nice. So the next thing I picked up were these glass straws, and I love a good glass straw. I have picked these up before on Amazon, I think it was, and I think I threw them away, like accidentally. I don't know where they went, we just lost them. Yeah, we just lost them, so I picked up some more. It comes in the set of 4, and then you've got the brush to clean it. But I just love these, not just in like your water, but I love having a glass straw in iced coffee. I don't know if that's just me. Let me know down in the comments if you like glass straws as well, and definitely check these out. So I went ahead and picked up a candle. This is a soft cashmere V-cup candle, and I do plan on taking the sticker off and just having it as a plain glass candle, but it smells so good, and I really want to start adding in some more scents into the house, especially now we have a dog. I know that he is hypoallergenic. He is a cockapoo, so it's half poodle, so he doesn't shed, but I still feel like my house needs to have that extra good scent in the house because I really don't want it to smell of dog. So definitely picked up a nice scented candle, and this just smells incredible. But yeah, I think this might end up going in the bathroom with everything else during this makeover. I went ahead and picked up a little glass jar. I really don't think you can have too many of these. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it yet. It's either going to go in the bathroom with some Q-tips in, or like face pads or something, or I'm going to put Max's treats in there. I'm really not sure yet, but I just thought it was a really cute little jar that you can use for many different things, and again, £1, you really can't go wrong. They have so many like organizational bits on there as well. They have like a whole section, so when you go on the site you can easily see what you need to get. You don't have to scroll the whole thing. It's all sectioned out for you, so if you're looking for some organizational bits, definitely check them out. Okay, so the next thing I picked up were these set of 2 cushion covers, and how pretty are those? Honestly, I wasn't expecting these to be any good. They were £5 for the set of 2, and yeah, I just thought they were going to be quite thin and, you know, just not good, but I thought I'd give them a go because I wanted to sort of branch out and just try loads of different things so I can show you guys exactly what they do. And the quality of these are amazing. They are just so thick and so soft, and I just love the stitching on it and the pattern. Yeah, so much better than I thought. And if you've been here for a while, you know that I love decorating and just redoing my home, so I thought they would be perfect. Saves me having to buy new cushions. That is one of my tips that I always share, is just buy the covers and not the cushions, because it's so much more affordable and it's so much easier to store. I also went into the stationery section, and I thought I would just throw this in the haul before moving on to the cleaning section, because this is all I picked up, but it just says pretending to be organized, and I thought that was just typically me, and it's so pretty. It's just normal lined paper, but I thought this would be perfect for all of my lists and my to-do lists when I'm cleaning. I'm always writing stuff down, so I went ahead and picked this up. But again, they have loads of different sections, so if you are a stationery lover, definitely check out that subsection and see what you can pick up to. So would this really be one of my Cherryz hauls if I didn't pick up a Sephora? So I went ahead and got the multi-purpose disinfectant cleaner in the lemon Zing, and I can't wait to use this. I'm ashamed to say I'm actually still using Christmas spray, like anti-bac spray. because I've just been putting off buying new ones. So I'm so glad that I got my hands on this one, especially going into spring. I just love the citrusy scents, and this is such a big bottle. Again, I think it was like £1 or 98p or something like that. So yeah, you really can't go wrong. So the next anti-bac spray I got is the Lemon Lavender in the Fabulosa brand, and I've never tried this, but I thought lemon lavender was really intriguing. I don't know what it smells like, so I definitely need to give this a go. But yeah, again, perfect for springtime, bringing in the floral scent. And yeah, I just can't wait to get rid of the cinnamony scent now. I've had it for long enough, so I can't wait to give this a try. So I always go over the top crazy when buying kitchen sprays, anti-bac sprays, all-purpose sprays. So obviously I got another one. This is the Pomegranate and Raspberry, and yeah, I think that's just gonna smell so fresh in the kitchen. And I think this is an antibacterial surface cleaner, and I don't just use these in the kitchen. Even the ones that say kitchen anti-bac, I pretty much use them all around my house. So I've got another one, so I'm pretty sure these three are gonna last me all spring and probably summertime as well. So next I picked up this Astonish Concentrated Disinfectant in the Pink Roses. That was a mouthful, but I thought this would be perfect just to add to hot water, because whenever I'm doing the cleaning around the house, I do like to have like a bowl of hot water, especially when I'm doing my spring cleaning, which is going to start soon. So having a hot bowl of water with some of this in, I can go around and do all the skirting boards, the banisters, light switches, door handles, and just everything. And again, it smells amazing. So I thought this, instead of wasting all of my sprays on everything, I can also use this one as well. So again, the house is just gonna smell amazing. So I decided to get the Pink Stuff toilet cleaner. I really like the Pink Stuff like anti-bac spray, but I've never tried the toilet cleaner. I normally just go with bleach, but I thought I may as well give this a go. Now I've got the opportunity to give it a go and see what it's like. But yeah, I love the Pink Stuff. I love the Pink Stuff paste. I've actually made a video on all the different areas that you can use that. So I really don't think this is going to disappoint, because I love all of the other products. So I picked this up to do all of the toilets. So this is a bit of a random one. I just went ahead and got some fairy washing up liquid because I'm almost out, but I'm actually still using the autumn scented one. I haven't updated any of my cleaning products lately, so all of this came just in time. I actually got this in the mint scent, and I think that's just gonna smell so fresh. We are using the dishwasher now, so it's only a few bits that we wash up with, so this should last a really long time. So going back to the toilet, I got the Fizz and a Fresh toilet bowl deep cleaning foam thing. I got these and I've never used them before, but I thought I would give them a go, and I just thought paired with this, it's gonna be one clean toilet, you know. And yeah, I just again want to bring the smell to the rooms, because even though I really like the smell of bleach, I think I've mentioned that loads of times during my cleaning videos, I don't think everyone else is such a fan of the smell of bleach. So I think I'm going to try and get it to smell a little bit more sort of florally, summery, just smelling good rather than bleach. So I'm looking forward to giving these a try. So there's definitely a theme going on, but I went ahead and picked up this Pet Proud Carpet Freshener, I think it's called, yeah, Carpet Freshener in Wild Country Flowers. Like I said before, now we have a dog, I do just want to make sure that everything smells good and my house doesn't smell of dog. And of course I did make sure that I got the pet friendly one, because he is going to be on the floor licking everything, so I wanted to make sure that it was safe for him and also safe for the rabbits as well, because they do still come down some evenings. So yeah, if you do have pets, make sure that you do get the pet friendly one. But again, they have a whole pet section on the Cherryz website, so definitely check that out. So the final things I went and picked up were these air fresheners. I got one in Mountain Air and the other one in White Flowers. Yeah, White Flowers, and I think it's just gonna smell so good. It's gonna smell fresh and clean like spring, and I am ready for it. I'm over winter now and I just want spring to hurry up and get here so everything can smell clean and fresh like fresh flowers. So yeah, I picked up some air fresheners to go with all of the other scented items that I've got. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos, because I am going to be showing you where and how I use all of these products. I've also got a bathroom makeover to come to show you some of these products. So yeah, definitely subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss everything to come, because I have some very exciting videos on the way. And also don't forget to click the link down below to grab your 20% off your first order. You could pick up some serious goodies, so don't miss out. And thank you again to Cherryz for collaborating with me in today's video, and I'll see you guys back here in the next one.